Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video there is a job opportunities from 4 companies, different work locations like Hyderabad, AP, Bangalore. So we'll discuss complete details in this video. So let's get started. Viewers, first Vasvi, work location Hyderabad, Kaitabad, and they are hiring multiple position. Viewers, manager commercial, those who have completed BE mechanical, electrical are eligible to this position. Manager business development, those who have completed MBA marketing, BE mechanical, electrical are eligible for this position. Estimation engineer, those who have completed BE mechanical are eligible for this position. Manager projects, BE mechanical, electrical students can apply for this position. Manager construction, BE diploma mechanical candidates are eligible for this position. Coordinator project, BE diploma mechanical students are eligible for this position. Engineering BTG, BE diploma mechanical students are eligible for this position. Manager piping, BE mechanical metallurgy students are eligible for this position. Viewers, and this is for experienced candidates. Minimum 3 years experience is mandatory. So those who are interested can apply for this position. And viewers, next Philips company is going to hire. Viewers, work location is Bangalore. They are hiring mechanical designer in Pune and Bangalore. Viewers, in order to apply for this position, eligibility criteria is those who have completed BE BTech in mechanical and concerned stream are eligible for this position. Viewers, candidate need to possess strong technical writing, documentation skills for regulated medical device design environment, including requirements definition, knowledge of good design practices, experienced with DFMEA, and as well as highly proficient in CAD, specific experience and proficiency in SolidWorks required, knowledge in datum schemes, tolerance analysis and GD&T, in-depth mechanical engineering design analysis skills including demonstrated capability in thermal and structural analysis, expertise in working and plastic tool maker and injection models to ensure design meet all DFM requirements, specific knowledge in the part of a design and plastic parts, SPI standards for plastic design, strong communication, collaborative abilities, proactively seeks out expertise and devise and input from others in collaborative team environment. So those are interested can apply to this job by entering your email ID and basic details. And here's next Heritage company hiring for operator position, work location Chittoor, Anantapur and Kurnool. Freshers and experience both can apply for this position. Diploma in mechanical engineering, BTech in mechanical engineering are eligible for this position. Proper communication skills, good knowledge candidates can apply for this position. For selected candidates, they are going to pay 1,25,000 per annum. Interested candidates can apply for this position. And last Volvo, and they are going to hire mechanical powertrain engineering position. Viewers, Excel her program, a second career for women, mechanical and powertrain engineering. Those who have completed their graduation in mechanical, electronics and electrical engineering degree, relevant skills and experience candidates are eligible for this position. If you are looking for an opportunity to restart your career, and this is a very good opportunity. Viewers, and even they mention about the job also, only female aspirants who are currently on career break, like minimum 1 year. Candidates having prior relevant experience with any following area like mechanical design, vehicle engineering, technical information, spare parts, service engineering, product documentation, powertrain driveline, system design, software release, verification, etc. are eligible for this position. And we are same company like Volvo is again hiring viewers for different position, technical support, real-time monitoring, work location Chennai, excellent at technical data analysis, very familiar with data heavy truck technique, and as well as familiar with HDT, aftermarket business, vehicle, car networking experience is a plus. Good knowledge of DMF, service system usage, excellent coordination ability, teamwork spirit, candidates are eligible for this position. These are the details for different company viewers, complete details of 4 companies, 5 positions. Those who are interested, eligible, can apply for this position. All the best viewers. Hope this video is useful for you. And viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach needy people who are in search of job. And thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews. Thank you.